Oh, that's an accident. Oh, that's the troopers right there. That's the troopers right there. Yo, what's going on, guys? So we're up in the M6 right now. I don't really know exactly what this video is going to be. Probably just a POV cut-up video, but I'm about to get a haircut real quick. I'm pulling into my barber shop. So I'm gonna get a haircut, and then I got this old keyboard. I'm gonna bring that back to Micro Center and replace it. I have a warranty on it and I broke it, so I gotta get that fixed, and then I'm gonna get the new keyboard, and then the ride to there and then the ride back, I'll POV ride that. So I'm gonna go get the haircut, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with that in just a second. Boom, there it is. The hair's cut, beard gone. I don't know if you guys have ever seen me like this. I don't think you have. Oh, can't let that happen, but beard's gone, hair's cut. I'm about to take a ride to Micro Center like I was telling you guys, so I'll hop you on the POV camera and see what we can get going on the ride. All right, POV cam, sport mode, hopping on the highway right now. Gonna get the sports displays up. Let's get to it. Let's see what we got in traffic today. I'm hoping you guys got the right angle here. But we're up in traffic on our way to Micro Center to do that keyboard replacement. See if we can get a little bit of cutting up going here. Looks like there's not too many cars on the road, which is nice. I really got to invest in that radar detector. That's got to be a move I do soon, because that would be useful for a time right now. Like right now it's 2:45, so it's in the middle of the day on a weekday. So cops like to be out around that time. Well, they like to be out all the time on this road, but the problem with this road, the Southern State, it does have cops on it, but not only is it troopers, which is unfortunate, it has state troopers on it, but the troopers, there's one of two ways you run into them. You either run into them when they're driving with other cars, so like you're cutting up and then you see them and you're like, oh, like you gotta slow down, or they're like in like a SEAL Team 6 hiding spot and on like an off ramp in the grass between bushes or something like that. It's always one of the two ways that they get you. I just got the car cleaned as well, just the other day. Finally, I've been trying to get it cleaned for the longest time. So she looks shiny on the outside and clean on the inside, which is nice. I mean, it's hard to tell because I keep the car pretty clean myself. So like, I don't know if the video is really gonna pick up how much more clean it is on the inside, but the biggest thing is the floor. You know, I'm not very good at keeping the floor clean. I keep all this clean, but the floor gets a lot of, you know, dirt and stuff from my feet. All right. I had to go a little crazy just because motherfuckers don't want to move right now. This Grand Cherokee just messed my vibe up. I always forget to take that off. Not that it really matters, but so technically the way I'm going right now, from where I came from, is technically in the direction of the city. Obviously we're not going to go to the city, but it's going to be, the area that I'll be in is going to be slightly more city-esque than the area that I came from. what's over there. I want to go around this way, but I don't know what's there. And then also there's an entrance ramp coming. And I got a Durango behind me. I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a car right there. I'm pretty sure the cops do be driving Durangos, because I seen someone get pulled over once by a Durango. But I'm honestly not too worried about it. Oh, this guy's trying to get over here. He's bugging. Look at that. Oh! There's a lot of people getting on the road here. I might get jammed up. Oh, we're looking alright. I knew this guy on my left was going to speed up. Look at him. This guy in the Durango said, nope, you are not getting in there. Like, and then he's all over the gas. And it's just, like I say it in all the videos. It's an RT too, so he probably thinks this is kind of fast. I always say it, like, you're going to do all that, and then I'm just going to end up in front of you anyway. Guy honked at me. Guy in the RT really thinks his truck is fast. Honda, when I went in front of the Honda to make the cut to the right, which the Honda is now following us, the one that honked at us, he sped up to try not to let me in, and then I guess I got too close to him with the cut and he got upset about it. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe we'll get a little road rage on the video. That'd be pretty funny. This is where it gets hectic. So you come down this way, and usually, I don't know if it's going to be the case this time, but usually you have a whole bunch of people coming on from this entrance, which there's a couple, and then you got this chaotic, like, to get over, you don't have a lot of time to get to where you want to go. Do one of these, hopefully that guy doesn't hit me. We're good, okay. He was cruising by, I got right on him. Oh, he's getting on the gas now. This is a bumpy road, man. This is one of the worst roads for bumps on this island. Cars on the road right now. Yeah, I was about to say. Cutting up with the Ford Explorer. We've been getting some interesting cut-up partners lately. Last time it was the Kia Sportage. Now we got the Ford Explorer. So we're gonna lose the Ford Explorer. Dealer plate on the Grand Cherokee. This could be an undercover right here. Guess we'll have to find out, right? Oh, that's the troopers right there. That's the troopers right there. Woo! Is he coming for me? I wasn't going. Thank God. I was just about to kick it too. Oh, I think he's moving. I think he's moving. I'm not sure. No, I think he stayed. I thought I saw him start moving on the grass for a second, but our exit's right here anyway, so that's safe. Wow, that was interesting. See, that's why I need that radar right there, because I thought that undercover was I thought that Chevy was an undercover. And then right when I realized that it wasn't an undercover, I was like, all right, time to punch it. And then right when I was about to punch it, I see the trooper sitting there on the side. And I was probably going, I don't even know how fast I was going when I saw him, but I was going probably fast enough for him to pull me over. I just don't think I was going like, I don't think I was going over 90. I was probably going like 80 something. Maybe 70 something, I'm not sure. But we're almost there. I'm gonna cut the camera off for now just because we're gonna go in the store. I'm just gonna replace the keyboard, some pretty boring stuff. And then once I get out, we'll POV ride the way home, so, or way back, whatever you wanna call it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I figure I should do at least one view, show you guys the car, now that it's clean. It's already getting a little bit dirty down here, as you can see, because I'm driving it, but rims are nice and clean. She looks good when she's clean. Alrighty, so we went to Micro Center, we replaced our keyboard. Right now we are hopping back on the parkway. We're getting closer to rush hour now. It's almost 4 o'clock, so there's probably going to be quite a bit more cars on the road here. I don't know how much cutting up I'm going to be able to do, but we're going to see what we can do. This guy behind me just got behind me, even though this is just an entrance lane. Let me get right in front of this Subaru here. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but somebody in one of my last video, not my last video, the video before my last video, the city video, someone commented saying how I can't be putting regular non-name brand gas in the car, and I commented back saying you're not wrong. This time, right now, last time I got gas, right now the car has Shell V-Power in it, V-Power Plus, which is what, if you look on the inside of the gas cap, that's what it recommends, Shell V-Power. So there you go. I don't know how this is going to work out, but it's just too many cars on the road right now. The traffic on this server is wild dense. We're in a, oh, that's an accident. Oh my goodness, even after they almost crashed and noticed it, they still got super close to each other. That's why you gotta look. I always, when I make that lane change from right lane to left, or right lane to middle, I always look at the left lane and vice versa to make sure nobody's doing what almost happened right there. Alright, well, this is not really too entertaining. This is just dense traffic, so I'll cut you guys on if I get you know, a nice look in a little while. Alright, well, last road pretty much had nothing in regards to cutting up. This road's gonna have pretty much the same thing, but I'm almost to where I need to go, so I don't really think there's gonna be too much more cutting up in this video. I got a pretty decent amount of cutting up in the beginning on the way to where I was going. But I appreciate you guys for watching another video. Hopefully, let me see if I can throw my hat on real quick here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I got the Infinity next to me right now that's making some noise. I think it sounds pretty good, actually. Maybe that's one of you guys. If it is, let me know. I appreciate you guys for tuning into another video. Check out my other videos. Check out the city video if you guys want to see. I have another video that did a whole bunch of views if you guys want to watch me race the AMG. That's down in there somewhere. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Drop a like, sub up if you enjoyed. Peace out.